Okay, tell me if this is you. You are lying in bed, no one's fighting, no big drama, but your brain screaming like peace non existent. Yeah, been there like way too many times. And if your soul is also tired of all these noises, then this is for you. Hello, amigos, welcome back to my channel. For newbies, I'm Jessie Rose. This channel is all about faith, wellness, and Christian lifestyle. Basically, your safe space if you're willing to walk with God in this loud, messy noise. And today's video of Faithful Friday is super close to my heart because we are talking about how to keep peace when everything around is chaos. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. There was a phase where I would wake up and feel anxious before the day even started. Like nothing even happened yet, but I'm already panicking about everything. And then I would scroll, compare, overthink, overpray, but it all feels empty. Until I realized peace isn't something that happens to you, it's something you choose to protect. So, one fine day, I came across this fine verse from Psalm chapter 46, verse 10. It says like this: Be still and know that I am God. And something just clicked. God wasn't asking me to fix it, He's literally just telling me, Be still. I got this. So I started doing one tiny thing, that is pausing. Before checking my phone, before overreacting, before spiraling, I started to pause. And that pause is literally giving a moment for my soul to breathe. And girl, it changed everything. Let me share you four things that actually helped me to stay calm from this chaotic life as free. 10 minutes of stillness, Bible reading, journaling, just me, God. Zero notification. I put on worship music super loud, like my soul exhales and inhales peacefully. And if it drains you, mute it. Remember this: you don't own anyone your constant access. I talk to God like I talk to my bestie. Messy, honest, unfiltered. I pour out every single thing. I created this tiny little corner in my room. Nothing fancy, it's just a simple chair. And I just take my Bible over there and I start reading it. Whenever I feel like I have to meet the heaven, that's my go to place. And also, just wanted to let you know peace isn't a place, it's a person. And listen, chaos might not stop tomorrow, but you don't have to match its energy. You can choose peace, build it, protect it, and let God meet you over there. If this video gave you at least a moment of space to breathe in, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and it tells me you're out there and we are building this little community together. Comment this in the comment section. I know that you watched till the end. And hey, share it with your friend who's quietly drowning in this chaotic life. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon. I seriously need your motivation to keep showing up every single week. Let's do this together. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.